Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SKK Engineering. If you haven't subscribed already, now is the time to do it. Today I've decided to show you how I upgraded my computer, my laptop, to work better, to work faster, and to be more and more efficient. All I did is actually I added another slot of RAM memory, and I've replaced the original hard disk drive with a solid state drive SSD, so it can work much better and much faster. Let's see how I did it. Let's start with removing the battery. I'm gonna start with just removing these two screws in order to open the cover. After that, we're just going to slide and remove the cover. Here everything is visible just by removing this cover. There is the hard disk drive, my RAM memory, and there is another slot for memory. So not all of computers have additional slot, but this one happily has, and we're going to install additional memory slot. Let's start with removing the hard disk drive. There are two bolts here that we need to remove. That all we need to do is actually slide it backwards and lift it. Guys, so after we remove the hard disk drive, we're going to remove just these 4 screws on the both sides in order to remove it from the slide. All we have to do is actually to put it away like that. And this is how it looks like. Now the reason I'm replacing this with the solid state drive SSD is actually because the SSD drive is much faster in order for operation and working principles than this one. This has moving parts inside, so it's not that faster, it needs time to process, and the SSD does not. It's much better, much efficient. Make sure that they are all the same size. This is very important. In order for it to work, they have to be the same size. Now I'm just placing this here. We need to install the bolts. We do it the reverse way. We just put it inside and slide it. Until it clicks on place. And that's it. It's that simple. You just need the right RAM memory and the right size of the disk drive. Now let's close this and check it up. Let's install the battery.